Hi, Miss Priya. Good morning.
Hi Mitransh, good morning. How are you?
Good
Thank you
morning.
for coming up in the morning because see that way I can get whatever you need and I'll be happy, you'll be happy. Go ahead.
Uh, I have some questions on trigonometry.
Yeah, ma, what is that you need? Tell me.
Like how there's like arc tan, arc sine, and arc
Yeah.
cos. Yeah. I don't, I forgot how to do that.
Okay, so
So,
circles, you really want help with overall, right?
not circles in trigonometry, like there's like arcs, right?
La la. No, 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 no. Show me one example. Then I'll myself take it forward.
So, like in the calculator, there's like tan to the power negative one, like that. And then there's a ratio.
You have samples of problems that you don't know. Let's
Uh,
not waste time. You have samples of problems that you don't know. Just tell me where it is. I'll go there.
um,
You don't know how to use the calculator for trigonometry, yeah?
uh,
Do you know how to use the calculator for trigonometry?
only for sine, cos, and tan. I don't know how to use
Oh, that is more than enough, right?
um,
Illema. Okay. Do you have the problems where you're getting stuck?
um, no.
Illa. See, you should be clear of what you don't know, right, ma? So tell me where I will go to that particular. I'll go to that particular problem set or whatever. Tell me, where do you want me to go?
Um,
Okay, what I don't understand is you don't understand trigonometric ratios, ah. You don't understand arcs, tangents, and circles, ah. I am really not understanding.
um,
What am I?
um, can I show you what I
Yeah, yeah,
need to
please
see?
tell me. I can share my screen. I have everything ready with me.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, please. That's the best idea. Go ahead. I'm ready with everything. Whatever you want, we'll discuss.
Okay.
Show me, ma. See, this is so much easy. Uh-huh.
So I mean like this,
Oh, you don't
like
need to know these.
because like in my what's it called? In my CBE where I failed, it said I needed to know this for arc, like cos
Not
arcs.
at all. Where is that? Who says that you need to know this?
No, like in my CBE, I had a question about this.
Not at all. None of this would come.
Okay.
Your mistake. None of this would come. 200%. None of this would come. What you will get is none of this would come. These are, meaning, these are not for you at all. You see what I mean? Can I write in yours?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what are you going to get is, oh, see, you are not. Okay. So, I'm not able to write. I don't know why. Okay, whatever. Um, annotate, nothing is there. Okay, I can't see. This is not, even this is not for AP pre-calc kids. Okay, you're not going to study this in algebra 2. You're not going to study this in AP pre-calc. You got it?
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Um,
Arc trigonometry won't come. There was some other question that you have mistaken it to be this.
so I had all the sides and no degrees.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, I got it. Okay, let me go ahead. Okay, you had all the sides of a triangle. You remember the question for you? What you got?
Um, Not exactly, but
Okay,
like
so you had all the sides of the triangle,
yeah, but not the degrees. And I was saying to find one of them.
but not the degrees. Okay, wait. Let me go there. Geometry Sundays. Okay. Okay, so you need trigonometry. Let me see. You know which chapter it is? Okay, I have it with me. You don't have to deal with it. Wait. Okay, let's go over. We will make you feel better in trigonometry. Okay, let's find out this. Okay, you didn't have any angles, you're saying, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, problems like this is what you're going to get here. Okay, let's see. You didn't have angles. Let's see. How about this? Can you solve this for me? Let me see where you are on this. I will let you know further. Okay.
Okay.
My notepad. Yeah. Do you see my notepad? Can you solve this problem? Come on, quick. A 12-foot ladder leans against a wall to form a 63-degree angle with the ground. How many feet above the ground is the point on the wall? Mitransh, you showed me a screen, right? We have not solved that in class. Whatever we have done in class only is going to come. Okay, nothing beyond what we discussed in class will come for you in geometry CB. Okay?
Miss Priya, I remember you showing that on the calculator.
Okay, I think I know what you're saying. Okay, do this problem. I'll take the calculator up.
Okay.
Even for this, you have to use the calculator. I think I know what you're saying. I think you don't know how to find the inverse. Most probably, I'm right. Go ahead and tell. Let's see. We can do these two problems. I think I understand what you're saying nicely. But we'll solve more, Mitransh. We'll solve more. Go ahead. Are you able to do, Mitransh? I'll help you, ma. If you don't know, just say you don't know. You're the only one here.
I'm just like putting in the calculator.
Okay. Okay. Now, in the calculator, did you go to diagnost? Did you go to mode? Did you check if this is in radians or degrees? That is the most important thing, right? Did you do that?
I'm checking. It's in radians, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, you want to share your screen? You can do it ti84calc.com, right?
Yeah, I went to.
Mm-hmm. If you have gone there, you can share your screen. I will watch you do, but you have to copy the problem. Otherwise, I'll read it to you. 12-foot ladder leans against a wall to form a 63-degree angle with the ground. How many feet above the ground is the point on the wall at which the ladder is resting? So, what ratio will you use, Mitransh?
10.
Good job. Why?
And because we have the adjacent side and we need to find the opposite side.
Good job. Okay. But again, okay, let me write it down. Tan. Let's draw the diagram. I hope you're drawing the diagram. Don't be lazy not to draw the diagram. Okay. 63 degrees. This is a 12-foot ladder leans against a wall. Tan. Huh? Okay, let's see. Uh-huh. How many feet above the ground is the point? Okay. Why would you use tan?
Because we have the. Oh, wait, not 10. I thought the ladder was on
I
the.
know, I know. Even I thought this was 12 initially. So I thought tan was okay. But see, when I drew
So,
the
yes.
diagram, I find different perceptions. So please draw. You got it? See, even
Okay.
I thought, okay, oh, tan was okay. But then when I drew, right, oh my goodness, this is not tan, I realized. So that is one major point. You will have to draw these diagrams. Go ahead.
We have to use sine. What?
You have to use sign. Why?
Because we had the hypotenuse and have to
Ah,
find.
yes. So now what do you do? This is easy. This is not hard. There is no inverse operation. 12 sine 63. Here is where you need to be careful, Mitransh. The mode has to be in degrees. Are you setting the mode in degrees?
Um, okay.
You want me to show you or you're doing it?
Yeah, I know how to do it.
Okay.
2 degrees. Um, I got the answer 10.692.
8 sine 63. Okay, proceed to the next one. I'll check.
Okay.
Oh, I had the PDF. Itself. Yep, 10.69 is correct. Can you go ahead and do the next one, 13-foot ladder? That is a little bit different. Can you do that?
Okay.
That is where you need to use inverses. Can you do that for me?
Mm, all right.
Okay. So you wanted some problems on three sides are given. What you need to find out?
The degrees.
The degrees. Okay. Okay, you go ahead. Let me bring up problems like that. See, what you say is a possibility. Let's try that as well. See, actually, whatever you will be using, the concept that we'll be using for that is similar to the second problem I am giving here. So you should be good. Go ahead.
Miss Priya, what do I do after I get the ratio?
Okay. 13
I
foot
got,
ladder is leaning against a brick wall. 13-foot ladder is leaning against a brick wall. The top of the ladder touches the wall 12 feet above the ground. What is the angle made formed by? Did you draw this?
yeah,
By the ground and the base, ground and the base of the ladder. So they want this, right? See, I understood. I think this is where you got stuck, right? So what ratio did you use?
I did 10.
Why?
I mean, oh, I solved for the bottom side and then I did.
Why? You don't have to, right? Make your job easier. It is time
Okay,
crunched, right? The exam is time crunched.
okay.
Don't go the longer route. See, think of yourself as the angle. Okay? What is this side? What is this side? What is the ratio that connects both?
Um, Sine.
Yeah, you got it. So sine x equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Now you don't know what to do, correct?
Yeah,
Yeah, this is what is required for geometry, not the one that you shared screen and showed. You got it?
okay,
Okay, this one, to find this out, right? This is called inverse trigonometric functions.
okay,
This is required, okay? What you need to learn in inverse trigonometric function is sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse. They won't go farther than this. You got it?
okay,
Okay, now what is a sine inverse? Sine is a function. This is the opposite of that. Just like multiplication, you have division. Plus, you have minus. Minus, you have plus. Division, you have multiplication, right?
yeah,
Right? Okay, suppose you do. They can form fact families, right? 3 times 2 is a 6. 6 divided by 3 is a 2. 6 divided by 2 is a 3. Like
right,
that, right? Like that. you do the opposite to remove an operation, right? Sine, sine inverse, cos, cos inverse, tan, tan inverse. The problem is the sine inverse can sometimes be written as arc sine. Both are exactly one and the same. So this would be arc cos. This would be arc tan. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Now you have to find out the x. You have to separate out the sine. So what is the operation you would do to cancel them? Can I take sine inverse on both the sides?
Yes.
If I take sine inverse on both the sides, sine inverse and sine will get cancelled. So x will be sine inverse of 12 by 13. Did you get it?
Yeah.
You want to share screen?
Can you share your screen for some reason?
You
It went.
can't?
No, I can't see your screen for some reason.
That's what I don't know. I was thinking you were about to share the screen, it went off. It's interesting. I don't know. Okay. So that's gone. Suddenly it went off. I thought you were sharing the screen and it went off, but I don't think so. This was x, 13-foot ladder, 12 feet wall. So we said sine x equal to 12 by 13. X will be equal to sine inverse of 12 by 13. Correct, ma?
Yeah.
Do you know how to do this?
Yeah.
In the calculator?
Yes.
Yeah. Do that and tell me the answer. I have the answer. I can check. If you don't know, immediately you tell me. I'll show them other.
Seconds. I got 67.38.
67.38. You know what? Okay. 67.38. Wait, Amma, I don't have 13th problem I gave you. Okay. 6.7, right? No?
I got
Okay, wait. 13-foot ladder. Yeah, 67.38. The degrees. What is the value of B? Meaning, what is the value of the other side of the triangle?
5.
Good job. Do you get it now?
Yeah.
So much better?
Yeah.
Let's see. How about this? I'm going to give you more.
Okay.
Okay, how about this? Let's solve all the four. Yeah, I got. See, the inverse functions you're not knowing. That might be the problem. So you're thinking that they're asking such complex ones that you don't even have to study. Okay, let's see. Ma, in the meantime, right, collect the other, whatever other topics you have so that we
Okay.
can discuss everything if you want in the same class.
Okay.
But first do these problems. I'm okay. You can take your time.
Okay.
Don't rush on these problems. I want you to understand it better. This one will come 100%. It will be in the trigonometry, the geometry CB exam, because these are
Okay.
so important and will carry to your algebra 2 and pre-calc.
X is equal to.
You want me to make it bigger, Mitranj?
Um,
Yeah, let me
yeah.
make it bigger so that you feel better. Wait. You keep doing. Don't wait for me to make it bigger. Keep doing. I'll
Okay.
paste it so that you're faster. Let's see. Is this better? Much better, right?
Yes.
Okay. After you do this, yeah, first do this, okay? I don't need to rush. Actually, you know what? This question is quite important then. Yeah. Let's do some of them quickly. If you can do, I'll give you more. Those are quite important. See,
I don't understand.
oh, which one? Please tell me which one.
Question 7.
Question 7. Let me do it for you. I don't know. I don't want to do it, but I want to give you clues. From a window 20 feet above the ground, there's a window. Please draw that window 20 feet above the ground. The window is 20 feet above the ground.
Okay.
Like this, you draw, then you'll understand the angle of elevation. You know what is the angle of elevation? Angle of elevation, like let's say this is my eye level. Okay, what is the angle of elevation? Means I'm seeing from here, right? Angle of elevation. See, you draw a straight line to your eye. This is what you see, right? So that is your angle of elevation. This is your
Okay.
angle of elevation. You got it?
Yeah.
Angle of elevation. Okay, now let's see. I am a bird. Okay, a man is standing on the ground. Okay, the bird is looking at the man. The bird is looking at the man. You got it?
Yeah.
When the bird is looking at the man, always draw a straight line through whoever is seeing. Now the bird is seeing, so draw a straight line. You got it?
Yeah.
Now he's looking at the man down, so this is angle of depression. You got it?
Yes.
This is called angle of
Depression.
depression. One important aspect to differentiate. See, the thing is here, this is angle of depression. This is a straight line. This is a straight line. So what should this angle be?
The same.
Yeah, you got it. Similarly, angle
Yeah.
of elevation here, draw a straight line here. This will be the same as this. You got it?
Okay.
So you have to understand which is angle of elevation and depression. Now, can you do this? You think?
Um.
The angle of elevation of the top of another building, angle of elevation from a window. Your eye is at the window, correct? This
Yeah.
is your eye. What happens? You're going to draw a
Um.
straight line at your eye. Always draw a straight line at whoever sees.
Okay.
Would you be able to draw further?
Yeah.
Yeah, I understood where you're lagging. Go ahead. You know, the moment you said arc, tan, I thought it was circles.
Yeah.
Let me know if you didn't get it.
Okay.
Are you able to draw the picture?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just solving now.
Yeah. But understand the concept of angle of elevation and depression nicely.
Okay.
I'm 500% confident you don't need to study what you showed me.
Okay. I got my answer.
What is the answer?
56.41.
66.4.
No, 56. 56.
56.4. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll check. You go to the eighth one. I'll
Okay.
check. You go to the eighth one.
Picture manchiga.
56.847. Do I have the answer? Yeah, I do. See, you go 56 point what, Amma? 0.4, right?
Yeah.
Good. Keep going. Keep going. Now you got it. See, the secret key is to draw. Draw and always draw that parallel line to your eye or whoever sees it, wherever it is.
Okay.
Got it? And then mark the angles. Sometimes it may be angle of depression, angle of elevation. Okay. So, Mitransh, instead of doing similar questions, right? If you understood, right? Wait. Yeah, this is a good one. If you can do it fast, you'll do. Otherwise, do this one. This is quite important. This is harder.
13.
Yeah, check whether you know this one, move on. If you know how to deal with this one, go to 13. 13 is harder, definitely do it here.
Okay.
Eighth one, check first, draw the diagram. If you feel like you know that, then move on to 13.
Yeah, 8, I know how to do.
Oh, 13 you know? Or the 8 you know?
Yeah.
Okay, 13 please do. 13 is a tiny bit tough. You can expect problems like 13. And I appreciate you, Mitransh. Morning, it really works for me. Otherwise, it's so tough, and simply I'll promise and I won't do. So I think this is better, I feel. Okay, but collect all your doubts and keep together.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Um, I'm almost done. So
No, take your time, no hurry. Please, not on the 13th question.
okay.
I want you to solve it correctly. That tells me whether you understood the angle of depression, and it is a hard problem as well. And you can expect one problem like that in the exam as well. 13. It is a teeny tiny bit harder, so please be careful. Are you getting stuck? Immediately say, because you're the only one. So if you're getting stuck, then we need to attend to it immediately.
No, I'm still solving.
Solving. Okay, okay, okay. I got it.
Um, I got 211 point like point 4.
Okay, Mitransh, I'm going to ask you some questions, okay? A traffic helicopter pilot 60 meters above the road. He's at 60 meters above the road, right? Spots two antique cars, right? Did you draw like this or like this? How did you draw?
I draw the first one.
First one. Okay, let's do the same way that you draw, okay? Okay, the angles of depression. So, which one is 10.2, which one is 8.7? You tell me. Which one?
The the first one is 8.7, and then
First
the
one is
second one is 8 point.
8.7. Good. This one is
Mm,
10.2 because it's bigger. Yes. So basically, the angles of depression were that he is seeing, right? So this angle was 8.7. This angle was 10.2. Did you get it?
okay.
You got it, right? This whole angle was 10.2. As a result, this became 10.2. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what they are asking this distance, right?
Yeah.
This is really a hard problem, okay? But usually they ask one of this, okay? If they ask this, it's tough, no doubt, okay? But then it's once you understand the concept, it's very easy, okay? First of all, this has to be a right triangle, correct?
Yeah.
So when you look at it, right, this is a right triangle, correct?
Yes.
Okay, the second right triangle you need to solve is this is a right triangle. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, can you solve both the right triangles? So now what you're going to do is you're going to tell me what is this distance, what is this distance. That's what you'll get when you solve the right triangles, right? So what is the ratio you'll use?
And
Tan, good job. Go ahead and use tan in both the triangles. Let me call this as triangle 1, the big one as triangle 2. So can you tell me what is D1 and D2? Where did you make the mistake now?
I used the wrong sign. I mean, not sign. I used the wrong ratio.
Ratio?
Yeah.
Mitranj, you've been making the same mistake. See here, this angle, okay? You're going to put a meaning from your mouth, you're going to say, hey, for this angle, what I am given? Opposite side. What I want? Adjacent side. Which ratio can I, like that if you tell you in your brain, you will never make the mistake. Opposite and adjacent is what I want. So which ratio will I use? Like that you tell in your own brain, okay? Go ahead. So that is what is making it tough. That's I understood. Okay, great. Okay, what approximately tell me what is the next thing that you have?
Triangle proofs.
Triangle?
Triangle proofs and like um congruencies.
Congruency, similarity, you understood, huh?
Um, I need a little help with that.
Okay, fine. Do that. Finish that. I also want you to try the 10th one. 10th and the 12th, check whether you know. Give me 1 minute, I'll be back. Do it. Did you get it?
I
What is
got
D1 and
one.
D2?
Oh, D1. I got 333.46,
Good job. 333.5 and then what?
and then
D2?
the D2.
Oh.
I found the distance, but not the. I mean, I found like how far apart are they. I forgot to do the what's the total. So
You cannot find how far apart are they without finding the total. How did you find?
uh
No, no, educate me first. How did you find? There is a mistake then. Where how did you find? Tell me.
Oh, I did the first point and then
Hmm?
I added the angles of
You cannot
elevation.
add the angles, right?
Um,
Mitransh, how did you find the distance? How did you find how far apart? You tell me.
I looked at my diagram and I was wrong.
Yeah, I want you to redo. It's okay if you take time for me. This one is an important problem. If they want to screw you, they'll give one such problem and give you. So basically, you have to.
Um,
That's why I said you solve triangle T1, get D1. Solve triangle T2, the bigger triangle, get D2. Your answer should be D2 minus D1. You got it?
yeah.
I want you to solve the.
D2,
uh,
D2 is 392.1.
Correct. You got it. Now D2 minus D1 should be how far apart are they? Make sense?
Okay.
Okay, you don't need to do computations. You can take care later. Go ahead with this and this. Quick. If you solve just for one, I'm happy. Just solve for one. You just need to know the type of problems, that's all. Is it easy?
I don't understand 10.
No, you're not drawing. Do it on the board, Mitransh. Do it on this board. I want to see what you're doing. Because 10th one is easy. There's no way you cannot understand. Go ahead and do it on the board.
So, cos is,
You're going to draw for me on the board, please. Drawing is not difficult on the board.
so I could just draw a triangle.
Yeah, please. I want to see what you're doing.
This would be, this is adjacent side. This is, this side is,
First mark the angle x. What is x?
um,
That's better. Go ahead.
so we solve for x.
Mm-hmm. No, there are more details given in the problem. You have not marked any of them. It's so important in geometry to write out all these. Otherwise,
Um,
you will get confused. There's no way you can't. Where is 3? What is 5? Nothing is clear from your diagram, right, Amma?
so this is 3.
Uh-huh.
This is 5.
Nice. So what do you want to do now?
So we can find the other side with
How?
4 with Pythagorean theorem.
Here it was easy, okay. Here it was easy, but if you do, if the okay, let's say the angles are like this. What do you do? 4.8 and and say 3.5. What do you do then?
Then you're gonna have to.
You don't have to.
You're not gonna do Pythagorean theorem.
So what do you do? Let me change it that way. I really want to see your conceptual understanding. This is 3.5. Let me give my own diagram. This is 4.8. What will you do?
Oh shit.
Now you can't apply Pythagorean theorem. What do you do?
We have to put in the
So what? No,
calculator.
no, no. See that I understand, but I'm more worried about what ratio are you going to use. You tend to make a mistake on that.
Cos to find the other side. I mean,
What cos on the other side?
not to find the other side, to find the angle.
To find the angle, what ratio are you going to use?
Cos.
What will happen if you use cos?
You use cos, like the inverse of cos.
Good. Cos inverse of what?
3.5 over 4.
Good job. So that will be what?
That's
X. Good job. After that, you can compute sin x. Make sense?
okay.
Can you move on?
Yeah.
How about this? Can you do this by yourself? That way I'll be happy. Provided you get it correct. Because you're please draw.
Do it
Think
here.
everything in your brain.
Draw it here. Can I draw it on the board?
Yes, you can.
Hmm.
Mhm. And in geometry, don't assume anything from the diagram.
Okay.
Here is where Mitransh, one humble request, if you had done during the week itself, right? When these things are being taught, I know you guys are so busy with your school as well, but if you could have spent at least 1 hour on this homework, right, it would have been very easy for you. Okay, pick your, no problem, I'm just telling. Ariko. Uh, wait. This is a problem. Mitransh, one thing, okay, one convention that you need to know, okay. See, this is P, this is Q, this is R, let's say, okay. The opposite is the smaller P. The opposite is the smaller Q. Make sense?
Okay.
It's always like that. Okay, this is a basic convention that we do in geometry. Got it? So everything will change now.
Like this.
Yeah, correct. And then, yeah, go ahead. Now what do you do? Round angle measures to the nearest and side measures to the nearest tenth. So you need to find out Q and you need to find out R and P. So this is not a right triangle, right? So what do you do?
Um, would you
Uh, for right
would you
triangles, you will
cut it
always
in
apply
half?
trigonometric ratios. Then that becomes easy.
Do you cut it in half?
Maybe I should not have given you this. No, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. I don't think this is needed, but since we dealt with it, I really want to go over this. There's something called law of sines. This is not a part of your geometry. Okay, but then they sometimes they teach as a part of geometry just as extra knowledge. Law of sines. In any triangle, right? If you don't have a right angle triangle, how to solve the triangle? Solving the triangle means finding the sides and angles of a triangle, right? For that, when you don't have a right triangle, this is one of the ways to find the sides of the triangle. What does the law of sine say? Sine P by P will be equal to sine Q by Q equal to sine R by R. Make sense?
Okay.
Whenever it is not a right triangle, you'll use this. You
Okay.
got it? Now you can use any one of this and this and this, or this and this, based on whatever is given. See what is given. Just put it in. Meaning, if I were you, right, I would match it. 96 is what Q. So I have the angle here, and then 51 is P.
P
51 is here, and then 22 is where?
R.
R. Wait. 96, 22, 51. How will you solve this? Yeah, no. I'm wondering how will you solve this? Wait. P is here 51, R is here 22, M of Q is 96. Round angle measure to the nearest degree. But law of sines, so it's not meaning there are two unknowns, right? Meaning only one unknown you should have in a ratio for you to be able to solve, correct? If you have two unknowns, you cannot again solve. So let me think about it. So you have law of sines should help you. 69. Oh, you have two angles, Amitransh. You don't have two angles, right? You have only
Yeah.
one angle, right? You have only one angle. Okay. Can we skip that? Can we skip this,
Sure.
please? Okay. The thing is, you won't be asked questions on this. There are two things that you need to know: law of sines and law of cosines. I will teach you in pre-calc this one again. They will 100% not ask you any questions in this in geometry. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, we will skip this one question. Okay, one is law of sines, one is law of cosines. Okay, here the thing is, if you know uh, in this if you know three of the measurements, then you can use law of sines. In this, if you know only two of the measurements, you cannot use law of sines. You got it?
Yeah.
Because you need to know one more measurement, so you cannot use this. You will have to use this. For this there is completely different formula. Okay, law of cosines oda formula vandu, so it will be like this: q square equal to p square plus r square. So q square, the distance q square will be equal to p square plus r square minus 2pr cos q. This you need to memorize. Okay, whatever side you're writing, r square will be equal to p square plus q square minus 2pq cos r. So this formula you need to get used to. So you can just plug in values. When you think about it, right, you need to find q square. If you want to find q square, see, p square is there, r square is there, right? 2pr is there, cos q you have. So you will be able to find q. Directly plugging in will help you. Make
Okay.
sense? Yeah, as an extra knowledge, you can always know this law of sine. Similarly, p square can be written as what? Q square
Q square
plus
plus R square
minus
equals and minus 2QR
cos.
cos P.
Yeah. So this is law of cosines, this is law of sines. So
Mm.
these two are used only when triangles are not 90-degree angles. You got it? I don't need to do that, I feel. Okay. Do you want to do one more, or you're good on this topic?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't want to do any more, huh?
I do a question.
Okay, one question maybe to test you. Don't take it as pressure, but this is the last question, so that way, yeah, you got it. Let's see. Don't take it as pressure, but try to solve. Please, please draw the diagram. Nobody is going to be there to tell you, but without
Um,
drawing the diagram, you're not going to get it right. Okay, one more topic will definitely do. Okay, you wanted on congruence and similarity, right? Okay, after this,
yes
explain
and
to
no.
me what
Okay.
is your weak area.
Okay. Miss. Yeah, I think I got my answer.
What is it?
11.30.
Good job. Can I move on?
Yeah.
You understood now, right?
Yes.
Okay, now explain what is other topics that you are not clear.
So triangle proofs proportionality theorem
Triangle proofs
and the
proportion.
triangle proportionality theorem,
Okay.
as well as the hypotenuse leg theorem.
HL is a part of congruence, right? Triangle
Yeah.
proof. Did they ask you proofs in your exam?
Yes.
What type? Did they ask you
Um,
to fill in the details in two column proofs?
um, a few, and they also ask like what type of congruency.
Okay. But What type of congruence is very common, no doubt. But um, okay, triangle congruence. Can I share my screen? Did you do this piece, Mitransh? Really want to know whether you have done this at home. Did you do this? All of this?
Um, no.
No means, what do you mean? I'm asking. Meaning, you have not done this set of problems at all, huh?
No.
Okay, let me go to your classroom. You're there in Google Classroom, right? You
Yeah, yeah.
attended Sundays or Saturdays? No,
Sundays.
Sundays, right? Amma, everything is in here, Amma. Okay, first, Chanda, I want you to do this.
Miss Priya, the reason I didn't go over that is because I was studying for part two, like you said.
Oh, I see. That's okay.
And
Oh, I see, I see.
I just needed with help with part one since I didn't go over it yet. And that's where I
You know
struggled
what?
last time.
This I prepared. I remember very nicely. Okay, this is a like a test. Take it like a test.
Okay,
It's a really nice one on congruence.
okay.
Okay, this is very good. But take it as a test. Don't see here are see CPTC. This is a very good problem set, but don't waste it. Okay, this is in Google Classroom. See proofs as well. I've given you as a this one, and then wait. I want to find out the other ones as well. We should have done it. Constructions, complete time test transformations, parallel perpendicular lines, quadrilaterals. Did you do all of this, Mitransh? Part 1, 2, 3, 4, part 8 of trigonometry, 5, 6, 7. Did you do that?
Trigonometry is also part of one.
Trigonometry is also part of.
The first semester.
Yeah. But you did this, right? Part one,
Oh,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of trigonometry.
no.
Duma. So this is so useful actually. Okay, now that you have already learned trigonometry, right? When you
Yeah,
look at it, right? Okay, there are 8 parts, right? See, part one. I'm not okay. Let me not waste time. I'm just going to the last part which you need to concentrate on. This see trig review homework answers. There's a
okay.
nice review. Do you see
Yeah,
that alone? If you can do all the problems, the entire thing is covered. You got
okay.
it? Make sense, huh?
Yes.
But wait, part 8 is what I want to understand. This is part 9. See 8 as well. 8 and 9, please do.
Okay,
8 and 9 is a good overview of whatever you learned in all the other parts. Make
okay.
sense? Okay, now I really want to move to this the congruence. Wait, congruence, there is a review assignment. The more I think about it, I feel like we did it before. When did we do? June. See, triangle congruence unit is in here. I told you, right? We covered in September 2005. Ayyo, what? Now, what is difficult for you in this?
Um,
Everything?
Mostly.
Mostly, okay. Let me quickly go over this for you. Not a hard one, okay? See here. I'm going to stop screen share and I'm going to share my notes with you.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So did you understand which one in Google Classroom to go over?
Yes.
Once you do everything in that, right, there is no way you will miss any question in your exam. Okay, now please understand this. Okay, what is congruence? You know what is congruence, what is similarity? Okay, since it's, yeah, see, we are meeting like this, right? It's easy to go over what to say, abridged way. Congruence, similarity, what is the difference between the two?
Um, one is one is like small. It's like equivalent almost.
Seema, this is same shape, same size. You will never make a mistake if you remember this.
And then
Same
the other
shape,
one
different
is
size.
different size.
Make sense?
Yeah,
Okay, now these two are congruent. You got it?
yeah,
These two are similar.
person.
Make sense?
Yeah,
Okay, the thing about similarity is it can be like this as well. This became this. This became this. What is this called? What is this called?
dilation and
Both are called dilation, but
yeah.
there's a difference between the two. Dilation means both are called dilation, but what's the difference?
One has a smaller scale factor and one
Reduction. There's a term for it, right? This one is
an enlarged.
enlargement. Okay, how is the scale factor here? How is the scale factor here?
The first one is a fraction.
Less than 1.
Yeah,
A proper fraction. Here, scale factor is greater than 1. Make sense?
yeah.
Okay, how about this? What is the scale factor here?
Um, it'd be the same scale
Yeah.
factor.
So what?
So equal to 1.
You got it?
Yeah,
You see a nice difference between congruence and similarity? Okay.
yes.
One thing is, when it comes to congruence, right, we have SSS, SAS, I need to think.
ASA,
ASA, AAS,
AAS.
and then
Um,
that's it, right?
I think, yeah, that's it, I'm pretty sure.
Excel congruence is there.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Now, what is SSS? When three sides of a triangle are just equal to the other three sides of a triangle, then it is SSS. Okay. Now, when this side of a let's say A, B, C, D, E, F. ABC is congruent. This is the symbol. Congruence is represented like this. Similarity is represented like this. Make sense?
yeah,
Now, ABC is congruent to FDE. Please see the order.
yeah.
Which side is equal to which side? You tell me.
And like A is congruent
There is
to,
no A.
I mean,
Okay, A is
AB,
congruent to what?
AB,
Huh?
angle A is congruent to angle F.
Angle F. C is congruent to angle?
E,
Good job. Sides? AB is congruent to what?
FD.
Good job. You know all this. Okay. Then the sides are congruent, then it is SSS. Now, sometimes the same thing we'll discuss. AB is congruent to DE. Oh, I'm sorry. AB is congruent to. I should have given you that. ABC. What did I give you? FED I gave you, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now the reverse way I'll go. Okay. AB is congruent to EF. Okay.
Okay.
AB is congruent to EF. Okay. Now BC is congruent to ED. Okay, angle B is congruent to angle E. Is the triangle congruent? By what? Which congruence will you use here? You know, Mitransh, drawing the diagram is the most important. You know how I'll do if I see this? A, B, E, F. I'll put a marking. Make sense?
Okay.
I don't want this red marking, okay? It's so confusing. Oh my goodness, I didn't mean to. Okay. Like this I'll mark, okay? Otherwise it's so hard to even understand. BCED. BCED. You got it?
Yeah.
Now the side as well I'll mark. Now tell me what this can be. Side.
Side
Side.
angles.
See, remember the angle is sandwiched between the sides.
Okay.
You got it? That is far more important. Now, what congruence is that?
SAS.
Yes, since it is sandwiched between the sides, it is called included angle. You got it?
Okay.
Do you see here? The side is sandwiched between the angles. What is this called?
ASA
Correct,
or
ma, but what is the side called?
um
Included side. You got it?
okay.
Because it is sandwich, meaning when I say this angle is congruent to this angle is congruent to this angle. You got it?
Yeah.
Now, for us to prove triangle congruence, which side should be equal to which side in these two triangles?
Um E and D. F to A and B. I mean
Which side should be congruent?
DE to AB.
Because the side has to be sandwiched between the angles. You got it?
Yeah.
What a congruence is that?
ASA.
You got it?
Yeah.
Nice. Only if you see a right triangle, only if you see a right triangle, only when you see right triangles, you can even think about HL. Okay? This
Uh,
is given. Okay? This is given. What congruence is this?
HL
You
or
got it?
yeah.
Okay. Now, you understood the basics of congruence. Now, I'm going to give you some questions.
The only thing that I got confused about is ASA and AAS.
That's what I'm saying. That is why. Wait. Let's go back. See, this is why I pointed you to Mitransh. This is the
Yeah.
sandwiched angle. You see, this is the
Yeah.
sandwiched side. See,
Okay.
that's the question I was about to give you, but let's understand this and then give you the question. I was about to give you that. You asked me, so I just came back here. Here, you see, sandwiched side, you need to look for it. You see,
Mm.
suppose if I just change this and give you okay.
Like DF or
If
something.
I give you, instead of this, if I give you F, angle F is congruent to
C.
angle A. If I give you
Oh,
this, what happens?
that would be AAS.
No,
Oh, and
no,
wait.
right? You see, two sides are given, an angle. That is where Mitransh, drawing is important. I'll show you. I'm going to show you now. Okay. So I'm given something, some measurements are given. Okay, some congruences are given. A, B, C, D, E, F. I saw letters. I will draw these two triangles. A, B. First, please draw mark. A, B, E, F. This is the best way not to make mistakes. B, C, E, D. Done?
Yeah.
Now my requirement for the two triangles to be congruent is they have to give B and E as the same, but they have not given. You see,
Yeah.
they've given F and A. Let me see. F and A means this. F and sorry. F and A means this, right?
Yeah.
Here, Mitransh, think about it. It is S S A. Do you see? S S A. Do you see? Go
Yeah.
clockwise or anti-clockwise and write down S S A. Right?
Yeah.
Here go like that. S S A. You got it? There is no SSA congruence in mathematics. There is no SSA congruence in mathematics. Why? That's a different story. Understanding why is a different story. Meaning, you have two sides. Okay, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Okay, you have another side, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay, now S is there. Now make an angle of 60 degree here. Okay, make an angle of 60 degree here. These two triangles need not be congruent at all. You got it?
Okay.
When you draw it and see, literally using a protractor, using whatever tools you need for geometry, when you draw it and see, SSA will never be congruent. You have to remember that. So here, if they give you like this, the triangle is not congruent because SSA is not a valid congruence. You got it?
Yes.
This is the trickiest question they can ask. Make sense? Okay,
Okay.
how about this? I'm going to ask you one thing.
So if it's SSA, it's just not congruent, right?
Yes, SSA is not congruent. The angle or the side should be sandwiched between the other two.
Okay.
If you take SAS, angle should be sandwiched between the sides. ASA, side should be sandwiched between the angles. You got it?
Okay.
Okay, now ABC, how about this? F D, E. Now I'm saying, what can I say about this? I'm saying FE is congruent to AC. Okay, AB is congruent to DE. Are these two triangles congruent?
E,
Hmm?
F, E, and D. Yeah,
How? What congruence it is?
it
Hmm?
has two sides, F, and D, E, and A.
What congruence is that? Whatever diagram you want to draw, mark. If you just
Let's
look
see.
at it, geometry won't work.
So, F8.
Hmm?
So this side is one,
Uh-huh.
and
Mm-hmm.
then
Hmm.
this,
AB is nice, okay?
and then there's an angle over here.
You need to be careful, Mitranj. I gave you a difficult question. What congruence is this, first of all?
Would this be HL?
Good. See, the thing is, I expected you to say SSA because side angle, right, Mitranj?
Yeah,
But it is not. You see, this is not SSA because as soon as you see it's a right triangle, okay? For a right triangle, it's enough if HL is congruent. So these two are congruent and it is by HL congruence. You got it?
yeah,
Okay. One last question, okay?
okay.
F E D C E C T B. Okay. C T is congruent to F D. Okay. T B is congruent to D E. Okay. Now E angle E.
To angle B.
Okay. C T T B angle B. Correct. Are they congruent?
Um, so ST
Hmm?
and ST and FT is one, and TB, DE, and then angle B and E. No,
Why?
because it's a SSA.
Ah, good job. Do you get it?
Yeah,
Okay. So when it is a right triangle, check for HL. You got it?
okay,
And then you can check for the other. Similarly, for similarity, I'll just introduce you to this and then see go through the assignments given. Okay, this is the
okay,
concept. There's nothing else in the concept of congruence. Okay, proofs I did not touch, I know. Okay, but then go through the assignments on congruence that I just showed you. Similarity also, you have another assignment I'll show you now. Similarity, it's just same as congruence, but same shape, different size, right? So you will have I don't know, similarity. I need to check once before committing to you. Wait, I don't want to make a mistake here. Hold on. Similarity, I think, I mean, AA is there, okay? But I just want to make sure all are covered. Similarity, what types exist? I don't want to miss any. So I know SSS, SAS, everything is there, but I just want not to miss anything. Hold on. One second. Okay. So yeah, we do have SSS, SAS, AA. SSS, SAS, AA. But I feel like we are missing something still. SSS, same thing. But see, this is similar means the sides are proportional. You have to create a proportion. You got it?
yeah,
Here you are going to make a proportion x by y equal to t by m. Smaller side, larger side, larger side. Got it?
yeah,
The sides are proportional. SSS, SAS, ASA is there, and AA similarity is there. One addition is this AA. Angle. This does not exist in congruence. Got it?
yeah.
Make sense, huh? They
Yes.
say two angles, they are the same for two triangles, they are similar, but they're not congruent. You got it?
Okay.
What you need to remember is there is no SSA congruence, there is an additional AA similarity. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now let me go back. I'm going to stop you here, but let me go back and show you. So now your target is for you to go through the assignments in the Google Classroom. I showed you about congruent similarity, right, Amma?
Yeah.
I showed you about congruence and similarity. So can I message your mom what you need to go through there?
Sure.
Or are you clear now? I don't want to.
You could send.
I can send. Okay, I'll send it to her. So basically, if you use your Google Classroom ID only, you will be able to access. You got
Okay.
it? Okay. So Mitransh, you are going to do this. That is for congruence. I sent to her. Okay.
Okay.
For similarity as well, you want, right? Meaning, if you go through your wait, Sundays classwork, similarity we covered so early in the game, right? I don't know where is similarity. Hold on.
It's in October, September,
Oh, you
somewhere.
got it, huh?
Yeah.
Then leave me. Okay.
Okay.
Please go through those two assignments fully, and if you have doubts, ask your mom to ping me.
Okay.
Okay, that way your time is utilized, my time is utilized. You got it? If you have doubts, definitely ping. I'm happy to solve.
Okay.
Okay, but the congruence, similarity, all the assignment problems very meticulously you're going to do. Make sense? Congruence, similarity, and congruence review you do, similarity review you do. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, if you do those assignments, do the review. After that, if you're not able to solve any problem, ping. Make
Okay.
sense? Utilize your time. Okay, thanks for making it in the morning. It really helped me too. Okay, any questions?
Priya, I have a question. Good
Yes.
morning. For the trigonometry, you asked him to do some questions, right? Can you help me on where he has to go and finish that assignment?
It is in classroom.
What is the topic name? If you
Trig,
don't,
trig, trig.
just
Trig
trig.
part 1, 2, 3. You search for trig, it's there. Trig, Trig.
Okay, trig part one, part two, part three. Okay, that will be enough
Part 1,
for
part 2 illemma. 8 and 9, if he does, that's the final review, right?
yes. So if he done part eight and part nine, that will be enough for the exam.
More than enough for the exam. However, there is also a spiral review, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, like that. There are so many spiral reviews as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That also helps huge.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Did you got it?
Um, I want to share with you this set. See, this set as well is there. Okay, I don't know whether you guys are seeing it, but again, I'll tell you these are important.
As he sees
You,
lot of the topics on the Google Classroom, what I feel is he's getting a little bit confused. Like he's not able to go in a consistency way. He's jumping here and there and finding on the topics, and he's saying
oh
that
no,
uh,
go by the order, right? Same
yes,
order.
and he's saying that there are a lot of things which I should not do for the exam.
Oh
You got it?
no, there is nothing. Everything he has to do for the exam.
See,
Please,
you
everything for the
understand?
exam. There's no, even law of sines cosines. I did not teach them.
Yeah, yeah, that is completely different. That comes under calculus. That's completely different. But the other parts which I'm asking him to do, probability he has done, but he's having a little bit questions we will cover in the next class. But the rest of that, when I'm asking, he's telling that these parts are not required for the exam. That is his answer
He
to
needs
me.
to, ma. He needs to. I'm sending you one link. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so these two are enough for him to do, right?
Which one? I sent you a link, right? A set of nice assessments to solve before CBE.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
That one, if you don't have access, you have to request for access.
let me see. I'll ask him
You
to.
mean the assessments in Google Classroom that you sent?
Yes, correct. Assessments in Google Classroom. Correct. Okay, good job. Nice, Mitransh. You are on your toes. Okay. Any questions?
No.
Okay, ma. Sheila, Soumya, you're going to make him do the congruent similarity, then ping me if only he has doubts.
Yes, I'll make sure that. Yeah. And what do you suggest on the another topics? Because he jotted down all the topics which he has questions. So do you suggest to go with one more class or two more classes? And what do you?
Only, check how he does. Correct his reviews.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and do the link that I gave you, right? Assessments link I gave you, right?
Yes.
Do all the problems. If he struggles, then definitely ping. I'm happy.
Okay. Oh, this part, the
Yeah,
second part which you have sent to me. Okay.
yeah, the link with assessments, right?
Okay.
Do all the problems. Use it and check for him. He has to be accountable, but you have to grow that in him.
Yes.
Ask him to answer. Ask him to correct by himself. That is also fine.
Okay.
Okay, let him correct. Okay, and show you the mistakes. At the end of it, we want our kids to show the mistakes to us as well.
Yes. Then only they'll come. They'll understand what's
Yeah,
getting wrong for them.
yeah.
That's
If he
such
has
good tip.
mistakes, then ping me definitely.
Yeah, sure. And
Okay,
last question, if you don't mind.
no problem. Tell me.
This the you said you send me a set of nice assessments. If he's already doing some problems, but my question is, if he solve this assessment, that will be enough for him to cover part 2 and part 1 for geometry.
Yes.
You understood, Mitranj? Okay, because he's taking from UT Austin topics, and from there he's uh, doing he's practicing from there. So
Yeah,
what I find,
see, there is a in the Google Classroom itself. There is a curriculum as well, right?
if he's come to
Is it not there? I don't know. I'm checking. See,
okay,
yeah, yeah. You don't have it there. You don't have it now. I'll send it.
I think I didn't see. I saw the assessments, but not the syllabus part.
I need to go. Mathematics. Let's see. Varinda, 1 minute. This is the curriculum he need to know. I'm
He
going to
said,
put it in the classroom itself. I think it's already in the classroom.
"What
Anyway,
is it?"
no problem. Okay, these are the. This is the curriculum for him to study.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, let him finish the assignments which you have given, which you shared to me,
Yeah.
and then let him come up with all the doubts and whatever
Questions.
the
Yes.
things.
Okay, ma.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you, Priya. Thank you for your time.